By the tip of her tiara, she fits inside this box. Welcome everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you a Princess Barbie box for a sweet girl 5 to 9. I have already taped the sides, and of course I had to use hot pink duct tape. I decorated her lid with a Malibu vibe that is very Barbie. I put everything on with poster putty, that way she can take it off if she wants to. In this Canadian shoebox, I managed to fit a 200-page notebook, a full-length Barbie doll, flip-flops, and a hairbrush, all because of this little guy. If you use a small stuffy, you can get a lot more in. In my big dino video I did last week, I did the exact opposite. I packed a large stuffy with nice items, but fewer items. Both can work. I am adding in a Barbie tea set I found at Dollar Tree. Since I can remember, I have seen Sharon from East Coast Stories put Dollar Tree tea sets in many of her shoe boxes. It's an inexpensive way to add so much more playtime, whether it's with stuffies, dolls, or figurines you put in your box. I think it's a great idea, and you should check out East Coast Stories' channel if you haven't already. She creates wonderful, wonderful shoe boxes. So I have given her a tiara so that she can be a princess as well. The comments on Amazon said that it was a very comfortable tiara to wear and that their kids wore them for a long time without complaining. And it's very beautiful, easy to pack in a shoebox. Okay, this is her doll. Now I bought her off of Amazon a couple years ago and she was $4 and some change. Now that wasn't her original price, but I did get her for that price. And I wanted to share something with all of you about the 5 to 9 girl boxes. I have been working on 5 to 9 girl boxes for this year and next year more than I ever have before. It's because I find a lot of shoes and clothes in the 5 to 9 girl sizing at a discounted price, especially shoes. When I heard back from the girl that was given one of my 10 to 14 boxes, she was 9, and it ended up being perfect, honestly, the specific box that she was given. But, you know, it did surprise me. And then one of my viewers, Denise, told me more than one of her toddler boxes was given to the older girls, one of them being 8. So I think we still need some 5 to 9 girl boxes, and I feel a bit better about coming across those great deals for shoes in their sizing. I'm not at all telling you what I think that you should do. That's not my job at all. But I just want to share my thoughts with you regarding that matter and my shoe boxes. So here in this tin, I just gave her a bunch of Barbie accessories. She can brush her doll's hair, and then that dress is from Dollar Tree, and I did try that dress on her. And speaking of shoes, there is a pair of size 3 flip-flops. I found these at Walmart for $1.50, and they are great quality. So this is one of the pairs of shoes that I found for the 5 to 9 age range. I think if Barbie Princess wore flip-flops, this is what she would wear. And then I want your opinion on these pop-out frisbees. I am about 50-50 with them. I do love that they can fit in any box, but they kind of freak me out. Sometimes they open up and they pop out and they hit you in the face, so I always picture that happening with the kids. But, you know, like I said, they can be fun to play with. And plus, you know, Barbie is all about friendship, and in order to play with a frisbee, you have to have a friend. So, I don't know, but they do scare me a little bit. So let me know what you guys think about them. And then she had a couple little cute notebooks there. And again, Barbie is about friendship. So I gave her 2 friendship bracelets. I found these at Dollarama. And then I've given her enough beads where she could play with them with a friend or a sibling. Extra cord. And then this little, some of these came in a kit from the Dollarama, and it's a Barbie bead set. And then I just added more beads to it. And then her soap container. Now this little bracelet I found in an Amazon blind bag that I purchased for my birthday. And I think these look so cute, these little ducks lined up in her soap container. Now I don't even remember when I bought these. I think we've all seen these from Dollar Tree. It was a while ago, but I love that the little fairy is also wearing a tiara. Her tote bag, and then a little hair clip. I think it's cute that it's a tiara. And then she has 2 pair of underwear in here, as well as a compact mirror. That way she can see her tiara on her head. And then of course these are the kind of crayons that Barbie, Princess Barbie, would use. And then in here she has 2 erasers. Now this unicorn eraser, I used to pack a lot of these in my 2020 boxes. There were like 3 different kinds, and I found this one all alone. They just disappeared. I haven't found them since. I hope that they bring those erasers back. They're so cute, and the child can play with it and then eventually use it down. I love the shade of purple in this pencil pouch. Now this is the biggest eraser that I have ever sent in a box. I found that for 75 cents at Claire's. And then she has a lot of pencils that are Barbie brand. I even gave her some pens. And then one of those pens is very purple. I also put in a couple Crayola markers. And then I was so thankful this fit just perfectly tight in the bottom of her box. I found this bilingual book on Amazon for a couple of dollars. It was marked down. There's stickers in it, very vibrant colors on the pages, and it's in French as well as English. And then I had a bunch of these coloring books. I just have one left though. I thought it had a bit of a Malibu vibe to it, and then those animals could represent her, you know, the Barbie pets. And then I had a big coloring poster that I just cut some of the pictures out and put it in her box. And then a Dollar Tree sticker book that seemed very Barbie-esque to me. And I love the little flip-flop sticker in here because of her flip-flops. And then I gave her a little stock card paper with our picture, and I'm going to write a message on it. And that is my Princess Barbie box for a girl 5 to 9. Let me know what you guys think about the pop-out frisbees, and I would love to hear what your favorite thing was. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.